Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Personal Capital, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Personal Capital, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.personalcapital.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Personal Capital account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Before you click the login button, ensure that your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password by entering your email address. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once you are ready, return to the login page. Enter your email and newly created password into the respective fields. Now, click on the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your phone for the authentication code. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Verify. You should now gain access to your Personal Capital dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.